Hi, it's Ted from Insureon, and today we're going to talk about one of the more important forms of insurance, which is workers' comp. Workers' comp, simply stated, protects your employees in case they get hurt. It also will protect you in case they turn around and sue you for providing an unsafe work environment. And I'll talk about the nuances of that in a minute. But at the end of the day, I know in running Insureon, I know in running the charity that we founded several years ago to work with inner city youth, One World Sports, that my employees are our most important resource and asset in addition to our customers. And so making sure that they're safe is critically important to what we're trying to get done every single day. Workers' comp covers two forms of coverage that are both important. One is that the policy will pay medical bills and related expenses when one of your employees gets hurt or sick on the job. It also covers employees' wages if they're forced to miss work. So let's say you're running a lawn care team, you're out on the job, and one of your employees breaks his foot because of a tree branch comes down. Workers' comp will kick in and pay for the hospital bills, medication, physical therapy, and any missed wages up to your policy limit. So think about all the fields that encompasses, right? People on the job as a contractor, people installing equipment, people installing technology, even inside of a professional services environment, people can get hurt. Major feature of the workers' comp policy. In addition, it covers a second type of risk, which is related to the employer's liability component. And what that does is it protects you in the event that your injured or sick employee decides to sue you. So let's say in this example, your employee who just broke their foot turns around and sues you, providing an unsafe work environment. Well, the great thing about the workers' comp policy and the employer's liability portion is this will kick in. It'll cover court costs, lawyer fees, any settlement amount. So you're protected personally in running your business, which is also very important. The nuance about workers' comp is that it's one of the more heavily regulated insurance covers that we sell. And I can't even begin to get into the nuance of each state and what they require and is it required, because it does vary by state. Whether you have to have it, whether you have to have it with a certain number of employees. So it's critically important so that you stay aligned with both the risks of your firm as well as the regulation in your state, that you talk to a workers' comp professional who can give you advice on the applicability of the insurance and the requirement of the insurance in your state, as well as an industry expert who can tell you how much insurance you need based on the risks and the claims that are typically filed inside of your industry. Again, it's Ted from Insureon. Please feel free to go to Insureon.com or call 1-800-655-1714 and talk to one of our industry advisors about this coverage.